Smart Money Nation, what's going on? I'm back at you with another video. Today we're gonna talk about some personal credit. I have found another great personal credit account that you can add to your personal credit profile. Before we get started, as always, if you are not a part of the nation, hit that red subscribe button for me so you can join the Smart Money Nation and know anytime I drop a video like this one. I do it consistently 3 times a day, every day. If you are already subscribed and are part of the nation, make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you are notified anytime I drop a video. And if you like my videos, please hit the like button, comment, give me a thanks in the comment section. I would highly appreciate that. Or if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. As always, I'll leave all the links in the description below. Without any other delay, let's get started. Today we're going to talk about something called Petal. All right. Petal is another personal credit card for somebody that is building their credit. So if your credit is still in the lows and you're trying to get different credit accounts to add to your credit profile, as you guys may already know, you need at least 10 to 12 different credit accounts in your profile and your credit profile for it to be good. So this is another one you can add. The great thing about this is that there is no hard inquiry to see if you are pre-approved. So go ahead and check it out and see if you're pre-approved. This is another one of those. I know we talked about Tomo, we talked about Grain. So it's basically one of those. So this is what is it called? Financial technology, right? So this is a new financial technology. This is probably how the world is going to move as far as credit is concerned, right? So this one is another one of those apps that looks into your bank account and sees your banking history, your bank activities, how much you have in there, and kind of uses that as the majority reason of whether they're going to approve you, deny you, and how much they're going to approve you for, right? So I'm seeing a trend in these type of applications, programs, or products that are coming out more and more. I've told you guys about 2 other ones, maybe 3. Go back into my videos, you'll see the other ones that I've talked about, which are kind of very, very similar to this one. So it's very important to start putting as much money as you can into your bank account. And even if you don't have it, try to borrow it and put as much money as you can into the bank account. So when you do apply for things like this, they give you a higher, higher credit limit and approve you for it based on your banking history and your activities that you have in there. So let's go over this a bit. Petal. You see there are 2 cards, so they have 2 different cards, and depending on your credit history and your banking history, they will approve you for one or the other. So they have Petal 1 and Petal 2. The differences are right here. So Petal 1, the limits are, they will approve you anywhere from $300 to $5,000 in credit. And then there is cash back 2% to 10% at select merchants. APRs anywhere from 19% to 29%. There is no annual fee, and there's a path to credit limit increase, which is great. So they will always give you a way to be able to increase your credit limit. Now, Petal 2 is 1 to 1.5% cash back. It offers a credit limit anywhere from $300 to $10,000. So for those of you who have a little more in your bank account, have good banking activity within your bank account, have a decent credit already, you are more likely to be approved for both of these, right? So you'll have the option to either go with Petal 1 or Petal 2. There's no fees. And then, so this one doesn't have any annual fees, but it doesn't mean there's like no other fees. So this one clearly says no fees, right? No fees at all. And then also has a pathway to credit limit increase, which is great. So these are the 2 that they will pretty much either pre-approve you for. So the same thing, we see this a lot with apps that are very similar to them. Like I mentioned, Tomo, Grain. Check the other videos on how to apply for those. They take a different approach. They use your banking history to instantly create a score and measure your credit worthiness based on your income, spending, savings. So maybe have some money in the savings account. I never really thought about that. So that's the approach they take. They have a nice little app. Definitely do that. And they also have, I guess, Apple Pay and Google Pay as well. All right, so the word I was looking for is fintech. So just like any other fintech company, they've been featured in Forbes, TechCrunch, so on. It's pretty easy for them to get press, so that doesn't really surprise me. So now we scroll all the way to the bottom. It just tells you, hey, without impacting your credit score, see which credit card they pre-approve you for. So I will leave the link in the description below to apply for the Petal card. Again, I highly recommend you guys make sure you set up your bank accounts for you guys to get the biggest credit limits possible. And I will catch you guys in another video. As always, if you found this video valuable, please share it with somebody that you value. Hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave the questions in the comment section below. And make sure you hit the red subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.